Hi everyone, so happy to have you here. I'm Delmit and I'm a small business owner. I know that there are a lot of things involved in having a handmade business. In my journey, I have been learning the importance of inventory management, marketing strategies, how to engage with my audience, and how to sell the products in a correct way. And of course, I always keep learning about how to grow my business and reach new markets. On this channel, I want to share with you all of my stories, the behind the scenes of being a small business owner, my mistakes and my achievements, and also the tips and tricks that have been helping me during the process. With the help of Inventora, we also share how to implement structures and systems into your day-to-day of your business, as well as tutorials of how to use our inventory management systems for makers like you and me. No matter in what stage your business is, I know that you're going to find something that works for you. We want to be a part of your business success. So if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Until next time!